Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Sankomo DA mathematical set question copy vet and bra Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe copy vetting and the appointment committee or more vetting. I'm sure that Sasami mathematical set you come in more ansumatibi. Diana Mokao.
Yeah, breaking story somewhere in August when almost commas real.
Okay.
Prior to that, now something like that. I am a company be contract almost supply mathematical set for what's it for. But after exams, now what we decided to do was to wait till they write the commas because normally commas now. Mefani say will be having here kind of equipment, Now what they are sure exams. That will show commas and for eco schools, maybe across the length of the country. And not even a single student has received the mathematical aspect, for the examination. So that is when we released a statement. We were asking questions about where the mathematical sets are. And we did that because of three reasons. One, the company now renewing this particular contract, a co-parliament, only a tax waiver, I think almost $3.2 million. Again, they won the contract on a sole sourcing process, which meant there was no room for other people to also bid. And then the third one is the price of the mathematical set. So these three things, and we asked if the person couldn't or wouldn't be or was not able to supply Nyamano as agreed there, then why did we go ahead to give him all these concessions? In some way, Ghana loses because almost $3.2 million. So they are moving share, and that's and we were told that.
And the information I'm saying say Peter, sir company no woman to me and supply mathematical sound episode.
Member. If you want a ministry responsible by basically was because of COVID into the farmer. So we said, okay, then you have to sit down with the company and look at the arrangement, and especially the sourcing part, any the price of the mathematical settle. But then we were ignored and but around October, some mathematical sets that was the first time our mathematical sets arrived in some of our schools. So around October, some mathematical sets were distributed in most of the schools. And we were right about that because we indicated that later in our interactions with the public. So former Minister of Education, ever interview indicated that yes, they have supplied some and they have paid for and they are waiting for the rest. But the long and short of the issue is the conditions are even in Parliament when they were discussing this that time for the tax and other things. They raised all these issues, but then at the end of the day, they agreed that the agency and the need for the person to be able to supply this thing to the schools, on contract, they would put on hold. I mean, last year, I'm making. So, Nippon to me and the now, when to me and supply last year, SSC was the final yesterday, and you should not be using this year. I mean, 2021, somewhere September, then the ministry could have now sat down with the company. Not come when we look at the whole contract again because now the agency wasn't there, and then we could have had maybe value for money. That is what they didn't do. Some of us we still have issues with the whole thing. And yes, for us, we think that it can send especially when the company has started supplying the masses. And as at now, I'm not sure. According to the minister, for now, according to the former minister, and then so it means the excuse of COVID doesn't hold again because a lot of time has come to pass.
Okay. Now, Sana Timao, news here, no so bad bonting. About say opinion of that Bluegrass Group Limited, Rakwajo da Comensa. I don't know friend who Narcis, I say, National Investigations Bureau, and I before so aquachini. I don't say that you say.
And then I saw that Joe and I mean who story like that. For us, no, you need to action, and I've been saying this. I think that media speculation said because it's linked to the company but I don't think that NI before they release about said that is the reason why I actually know. So then I think that fine investigative authorities whatever circumstances that led to the delay, any up to now movement supply fully no. You know, you be learning lessons from it, and they are going forward no. If we are doing something like this, we would know how to go about it. And you see, because your problem basically is education ministry know a lot of things that they have to do. So sometimes when you have little resources, you look at your economics, your scale of preference. Yeah, that's what we now would you think another question? You see, the who scarce another what the question baby so important in the scheme of things in your running of the sector now. Hard drink and that is what worries some of us.
Okay, so again, you sign come on. Me say who is a sad deal we ankasa bibia koso me can about this mathematical surgery. I be answered entry year because if you're in somewhere Alhassan Tuini, Mrashebe Jenny Obusa, former Minister for Education, Napo, about the cost or catching or $75 senior sanity, 75 Ghana cedis. Mathematical surgery, teacher say, okay, moi. Womuntino, yes, crano, ebedu in Ukraina, so okay, much from Shohene. Now the ministry is explaining, and I don't pay any deputy PR credit come for the Ministry of Education, which I say yes. Adiano, idea, omukro away, ni momubit me soon in a cacao. Do you think there be Ghana car, be a near brofo because of causing financial loss to the state and now, and for sure, yeah, and be biasa.
And me sure to meet me at
Okay.
The question back of it. I say me by August. Yeah, you release a statement, I think 17th, 18th, 19th August, and you release it 2020. Sanka, the ministry and the explanation on the money they buy and sorry, because as I said in October, we were aware that some masses had been supplied. Oh, it is if they were forthright with the kind of information as they say, I will share social media, you're listening 1, 2, 3, up to point. Almost bar out every children say, I can't say, if you were all those things, almost and the story died at that time. But you see, in 24, sometimes when issues like this come up, they treat it with some level of contempt because sometimes they feel say they are not. You are not supposed to ask them that question. I say they are not responsible to you or whatever it is. So they treat it with some contempt. And not see an at this time no, because you played an advert during election time no. This message was part of the issues the government used to say they have also supplied. So most people know that some of the masses in the ecosystem, but because they ignored the cause at that time, if you Google it, you see the number of stories that was made about this masses. They ignored totally, and the only excuse is COVID.
Now only so Sanchez Chimuno and Tasumuma said COVID. Was it not really at that time COVID high Namibwa?
Because you did something. Nipano still went to me and supply because of COVID. Then you have to go back to the drawing table and renegotiate with the person, especially when you did something. That time, no, a chairman when you say any agent as you thought it was, no. they should have gone back to the drawing board and then renegotiate this whole thing. Send a better price, for, and I said they should have opened the bid, for people to also apply. You would have seen say, can say, oh, Miss Smith, you have supplied the same thing. Use at 20 Ghana cedis, so we can say 50 Ghana cedis.
But is it not because at that time, no, the agency of it said, "Yano anymore time na a woman no enutina omo so sourcing." I mean, if you listen to Kratana minister no call here vetting the appointment committee or chichimu, the reason crowns here a public procurement agency crowns moms out to me no in your account.
Exactly. Brackets my kind no. Even minority can SLV or consensus no. When we realize in August say Niemano and Martin and Bayano, the ministry should have now taken steps because at that time then agents you cannot trade on scenario. They were not the target. The targets are now shifted to 2021. It is the best thing the ministry could have done at that time. They said, let's call the supplier because now you have not supplied. As at the time of the end of the exams, no more supplier. So now let's call the supplier. Let's say now, Kwesi, this and this and this and this. Into any amount this condition. Now wait me and supply based on that. Into two things. Either you reduce the price for us, or maybe we are not going to open up for a competitive bidding for people to also come in to see, say, you bring a value for money. That is the only part that the ministry failed to do.
Okay.
That is the point you are trying to say.
Okay, so talking about value for money, that brings me again back to question I'm saying we say about Obia Magani about Kanini Kahon causing financial loss and Abibisa because I can't remember said yes Mo Institute Education for Education Studies IFSO opinion out there we raise a number of questions in terms of even SASO sourcing and the cost of it and the fact that whether it was there was agent need for nini akaka enti sane mo ya ankoba so no na me bisa say ye hunu say bi obi aboy ka ho
no dear and I miss me come on because I think that there are people close with the kind of expertise that on me I just share with you know. But of course, if you had a contract to supply at a particular point in time, now went to me, and it's almost 6 months now. Me find a time no, which means supply the full complement of what you were supposed to supply. I think there's a cost to investigate and know whether you have you have done something untoward. I think that for that level, it's in the hands of the investigative authority. We hope that they know what they are doing.
Before I can Peter, I mean we saw Enra Krata Ghana Education Service Aba 64th Independence Anniversary Parade, you know. You came into your money in Anya Ankoda be Marchi. Senator Mam IFest.
Good news. We think that it's in line with what the president is asking us to do. So because of the times we are in, we should avoid these kind of large gatherings and all those things. So, very good. We are hoping that there will be a virtual one. The ministry will be able to put together. I think that they should go a step further and make sure that the PPEs are supplied to the schools. That is the most important thing. For this one, the first one we're calling off. But as it stands now, the adherence to the protocols and it's because in some of the schools they still don't have their complete complement of the PPE. So that should be their focus more than some of these things which can easily be dealt with.
Okay. And I pay Yamin Shopper, that's Peter.
That's it, bro.
Peter Enti, director of the Institute for Education Studies, IFest. And I pay mathematical research home.
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.